The Church of St. Paul, or the St. Paul's Memorial Museum, is located in the district of Tarsus in Mersin. Tradition holds that the construction of the Church of St. Paul dates back to 1102, but the existing structure, a domeless basilica, was built or rebuilt by the Orthodox Arab-Greek Community in 1850. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the videos for more content. In 1992-1993, the Vatican organized the St. Paul Symposium and Liturgy at the site. This church, considered sacred by Christians, is visited by pilgrims. The total area of the building is 460 square meters, mainly constructed with cut stone, and its interior dimensions are 19.30 meters x 17.50 meters. The Church of St. Paul, along with the St. Paul Well, was proposed for inclusion in the UNESCO World Heritage List on February 25, 2010. The St. Paul Memorial Museum, built by the Orthodox Arab-Greek Community in 1850, was allocated to the Ministry of Culture in 1994 and named the St. Paul Memorial Museum. Between 1997 and 2001, restoration work was carried out around the St. Paul Museum. As part of the environmental arrangement project, the immovable properties around the Memorial Museum were expropriated by the Ministry of Culture and Tourism. The restoration and environmental arrangement works were completed in 2001, and the St. Paul Memorial Museum was open to visitors. The church has a rectangular plan with 3 naves. The central nave features frescoes of Jesus Christ and the Gospel writers. The upper part of the apse contains depictions of landscapes and angels. A bell tower is located in the northeast corner of the church. The St. Paul Memorial Museum serves as a place where both local and foreign visitors can conduct religious ceremonies. Tarsus's UNESCO gem, the St. Paul Church, Well, and historical surroundings, stands as one of the city's significant centers for religious tourism. Located in the district of Tarsus in Mersin, this area draws considerable interest from Christian visitors each year. Included in the UNESCO World Heritage Tentative List, the St. Paul Church, Well, and historical surroundings are surrounded by archaeological remains dating back to the Roman, Byzantine, and Ottoman periods. The Declaration of St. Paul Year by Pope Benedict XVI in 2008 and 2009 elevated the recognition of the Church and Well, making them even more significant for Christians during this period. Tarsus's St. Paul Church stands as a prominent symbol of the Christian faith and is one of Mersin's leading centers for religious tourism. The church offers visitors a rich experience, from both the historical and religious perspective, welcoming thousands of tourists annually. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the videos for more content.